Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to order from Temu with cash on delivery. Alright, but the question is it really possible? Well, the short answer is no. The reason behind this policy is pretty straightforward. Temu aims to keep transactions smooth and secure for everyone involved. And this is of course by not handling cash. Temu can streamline its delivery process and ensure a safe shopping environment for its vast user base. So, while it might be a slight adjustment for those used to paying with cash on delivery, Temu's payment system is designed with efficiency and safety in mind. And as you can see here, which is a thread from Temu, to minimize this risk, COD is not available for orders with high totals. You may use other payment methods such as PayPal or credit cards to pay for your order. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.